Yeah.
Hey, it's the Super Sarcastic Sunglasses Sisters, and today we're making Play-Doh.
Without cream of tartar.
Tartar. It's so fun to say.
And we got this DIY from Before and After TV. What you're gonna need is 4 cups of flour, 1.5 cup of salt, and you're going to measure it out and put it in a medium bowl and mix it together. You're going to need 1 cup of warm water,
which you are going to divide into 1/4 in each bowl.
and you're going to need 1/4 in each bowl. You're going to need...
Is there pink in here? Why do we put a pink in the pink bowl?
You're going to need dye. Just add the pink. And then that's basically it. Oh, and you're gonna need 1/2 of vegetable oil, which we need to put in these. And that's
1/2 of what?
It's a 1.5 tablespoon in each bowl. So let's get the 1.5 tablespoon out. You're gonna put it in each bowl. And yeah. And then you're gonna mix this up, which I'm doing right now. You're just gonna mix this together, and then you're gonna take a cup of each of this mixture and put it in, and then mix it together.
Okay. So this is 1 tablespoon. So if I go up to half of that,
1.5 tablespoon.
Guess that's about 1.
Wait, hold on.
That's a half of a tablespoon. And this is 1 tablespoon. Here, you can do whatever you're doing. I'll find one. I knew we had it somewhere.
Yeah, I thought we had one too. Yeah, so I'm just gonna mix this.
Okay, I got it.
Okay, you got it? Okay.
1 tablespoon? Nope, same thing.
Wait.
Daddy. Maybe it's in here. Okay. I'm just gonna guess half because I'm a master guesser.
Okay, hold on. Here, let me see them. This is 1 tablespoon, 1.5 teaspoon. Wait, so
This is a half.
3 teaspoons, 1 tablespoon. It doesn't help at all, does it?
No.
Here, we'll just do 1 tablespoon.
No, this is a half tablespoon.
Oh, okay. Here, so.
You don't need pajamas, just get a pair of shorts.
And is this like her thing? Yeah.
Yeah. So 1
and a half.
I'm just gonna put 1 in each right now.
Ooh, you're lucky. She's lucky.
We won't put any in that one since I accidentally kind of overdid it.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Instead, dirty nut too.
That's about a half.
Yeah. Alright, move.
Okay, so now as we're doing that,
Alright, here, go put this in the sink.
go put this in the sink.
I'm gonna close this up. Alright, here, get a cutting board out. Alright, so now we need 1 cup, which we'll just use this, of each of this mixture that we made right here. We're gonna put 1 cup in each bowl. Let me get the scooper from here, which will be just easier to use. Alright, so we're gonna scoop 1 cup. Okay. So, scoop. So is that about 1 cup? Let me check.
Looks about one.
Yep, that's about 1 cup, so we'll dump in here. You start mixing this in. Okay.
Mix it with.
And then you just mix it with that. I'm gonna get the rest of this. Oh, this looks cool. And once you've got it all nice and mixed.
This is cool.
Is this about 1 cup? Yep, this is like exactly 1 cup. And I'm gonna
Yeah, before this we were pouring the water and I got like exactly 1/4 each time. It was hilarious.
We're gonna put this in of our mixture. Okay. And then just try and mix that a bit more. And then
It will lump up here. I'll show you mine. Look at
yeah,
Does
it
it
will
pretty
lump
fast.
up. And then once you like get it mixed in, then you're just gonna take it out onto the cutting board with your hands and smooth it
There's
out.
some flour in there. I'll do it.
And also, you're gonna sprinkle some.
Beep.
Fun. This is a bit over 1 cup. Oh well. Alright, now you can start rolling that out. Okay. Uh-oh. Okay. Now we're gonna... Oh, dude, I needed this.
Sorry.
And then you're just kind of gonna lump it
Mold
together
it
like
together.
that. Lump together. You don't want to use too much, because then it's just kind of pasty, sort of, you know?
Oh, this feels awesome.
Okay, here, I'm gonna move this bowl out of the way.
I kind of made like a purple grayish. It's amazing.
Yeah, that's what I was asking.
I like this color. It's like a light purple. It's really cool.
Yeah. I'm gonna get the paper. You know what? Let's just not want to rip, does it?
And it actually turned out really well.
It does.
And you could just put it in a plastic baggie because we don't have any like jars at the moment. We tried to look all over and there wasn't one that was like had a lid or it was too little and it did have a lid and it was horrible. We looked all over.
Just just put it in a plastic bag and it'll be fine. That's a bit over 1.
Make sure it's sealed though, or then it'll become like a big hard blob that you could throw at somebody to use for self-defense. JK. I swear.
Yeah, don't give anyone any ideas.
Alright, so once it's done, it won't be that color, but
And that's a very nice color. Okay, now I'm going to use to stir this around.
Alright, I'm going to go get my plastic baggie of doom. Just because I really want to call it that right now.
Ooh, this is
And they've actually,
really nice,
the brands that we get is like Ziploc or whatever.
Yeah,
they've actually
Ziploc
made
a good brand.
the tabs now. That look at that.
Oh, that's cool.
I know, right? Cool.
Cute.
Just gonna kind of gather all this up.
Okay, so now you can start molding together.
Another thing you could do is if you have balloons and you like put it in there.
Oh yeah, also you can take flour and put in balloons and you can make a little stress ball, which we might do a video on that actually. Depends, leave a comment if you want us to or not.
Comments are amazing.
Alright, here, start mixing that together.
Okay, here's our pink one.
Okay, now we're gonna start mixing these. Ooh, I'm really excited for
Here,
this
will you
one.
get the air out of this? Never mind, I will.
It's kind of a small bowl.
I know, right? Sorry, couldn't find anything better.
I might not be able to mix that one. I might just like, make like a different bowl or something. Ooh, the teal's looking nice.
Oh, it is. I can't wait to show this to you guys because that looks really cool.
Yeah.
Okay,
Give you guys a little preview.
This is like even a stress ball if you want to play with that.
Yeah.
All right,
So
now
you can use this playdoh
molding the
stress
pink.
ball.
Yes. 4 o'clock, la la la, 4 o'clock. Sorry, that's my noise maker. We're almost done, and so this is really fun, easy way to make Play-Doh.
Ooh, the raspberry is looking cool.
And this one's harder, it's got more flour.
Whenever you're ready, mold that one.
Ooh, hey, why'd you put pink in there?
I'm sorry, it's from the mixing tool.
Just gonna pick some of the bigger pieces out. Now there's some teal in here.
Dude, the raspberries are like great soda.
Oh, that is awesome. That's my favorite song.
No, face in. Face in.
Okay. I'm just kind of gonna use my fingers because right now this isn't working.
Ew. And okay. Alright, I'm going to
Wait,
get
we're
the
gonna
Ziploc
need a
bag.
bigger bowl if you have one.
Yeah.
If we
Wait a
have
second, let me
one.
get a Ziploc bag.
Okay, so the dishes are gonna be clean. And before they go anywhere, they have to clean it up. And it's 2 o'clock. But you just said.
I know, but I didn't get the story. I don't know. It's my fault.
Okay, you do.
Yeah, those are our siblings in the background. Great, huh? This is how the pink turned out. It's a very, actually, really pretty color. And I don't like pink, so.
Alright, here.
Now I'm going to dump.
Actually, do this one first because this one needs it more.
I'm gonna like move all the pink out of the way. This is like a grape soda. That is amazing.
And here, if you have a, I'm gonna try and mold it like in here.
Okay.
That will work. Yeah, this looks really nice. Actually.
Oh, the teal looks awesome.
This turned out better than I thought it would.
Yeah.
2 remote controllers.
Okay.
Because Michael Wiley's gonna
I'm sure to mix this.
When you're supposed to be going, because these people started doing a video and had to use that on here.
Mom, we're actually finishing a video, so.
They were supposed to be ready like now.
Okay.
Yeah, they have like.
So, guys, we're
Okay.
almost done. Look at the raspberry color. That's cool.
I basically got this done.
Don't get the raspberry and teal, 'cause it's gonna
fine.
drive me crazy.
Wow, this looks really nice, actually.
Did I get the Ziploc?
So this is like what the teal looks like. And over time, after using it,
Oh, that
after
one's ripped.
using the flour, after playing with the Play-Doh, the flour will come out.
Yeah.
Here, can you grab me a Ziploc?
Yes, of course.
Thank you. And this is basically what the finishing result looks like.
Ziplocs are our friends.
Can you open it up?
There's a tab. They made it for a reason, buddy. Yeah, see, there's teal all over in here. Killing me, Smalls. Killing me.
Okay. Well, that is it for today.
Thank you guys for watching.
See you later. Bye.
Remember, like, comment,
Make sure to
subscribe.
like and subscribe. Bye.